Yo guys, what is going on? Thank you for checking out the video. As you can tell, some of you are probably excited. We are on the Razor, and today we're going to meet up with Lil Man, who is at the art museum right now on his Razor. They just put new suspension on, so we're gonna go check it out. Battery is probably gonna die on my GoPro because I didn't have any time to charge it, but I'll show you guys what I can. My phone is dead, my GoPro's dead. The only thing charged is my battery on the bike, believe it or not. All right, where you at, Lil Man? Where are they at? Yo. What up? How we doing? What's up, dude? How's the suspension feel?
It's better than this one.
Yeah? You got the wheels on too? Those look good. Good to see you. He's finally got the Ron back out?
We finally brought it.
Alright guys, we're outside. We got one by Lil Man, one by These Nuts. We got one by Corey. We're gonna ride until this GoPro dies. We got another Razor with electro and coke kit on it. Yo! Wheeling this feels so easy now compared to the XXX, but honestly, kind of wish I was on the XXX right now, I can't lie. It's just so fun, dude. So fun. It feels so weird. Just another day. Just cruising. Gotta get used to the fucking Razor again. It feels so weird. So weird. It is crazy easy though. Yo, what's up?
Guess I gotta hit on with the update. I've been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit a nigga when you want the front game. Back like that. Guess I gotta hit on with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fade. Killer flow and hit on with the one take.
Ooh, just cutting it up through traffic here. Quick little Friday evening rip. Foot brake, hand drag, let's go.
I know they ain't talking about me. All up in a nigga DMs for the feature. I know they ain't talking about free. Shorty no lie, no leap. I ain't gonna lose no sleep. You don't have in these Jeep. What you gonna sow, you gonna reap. Bet I'm gonna kill what I eat by the end of this.
Big bump there.
Having your step, I bet on my soul we feast. Bet you don't go, I bet you don't know these freaks. Gotta hit that note on key. Put it on baby, on Mimi, on God, on me. Fuck nigga, you not no G. I be in the spot low key. I been at the crib, probably wonder how I got your key. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit on with the update. I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit a nigga when you want the front game. They act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit on with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fade. Killer flow and hit on with the one take. Act like they ain't know it.
Everyone is going off right now.
I been getting to it when I'm up late. Hit a nigga when you want the front game. Act like they ain't know it. Guess I gotta hit on with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fade. Killer flow and hit on with the one take. Please tell me what's to these lanes, they must be out of their mind. All up in a nigga face tryna hit a blunt, I know he ain't talking about mine. Put in that work on my grind. Put in that purp in my lung. I'm putting that work on her spine. Put a little drink on my tab.
Drive for work?
I'm fine, I bet I go earn it right back. Nigga just hit up my jack, got him working my line, I stay in my lane. I ain't even tripping off yours, I'm too damn worried about mine. You not on no ride, nigga ain't having no motion. We so damn tired of your lies, ain't one of your guys. Niggas can't fit in my shoes, look, buddy, them not of your size.
We're worming it a bit, but you know, that's who we are. Also guys, I don't know why I'm wearing a watch, but I'm wearing a watch. I don't ever really wear a watch. But now I'm wearing a watch and I'm making a video wearing a watch, so that's why I want to talk about the watch. They both kept it up.
Guess I gotta hit him with the update. Really with it, I ain't got a pump fake. Killer flow and hit him with the one take.
Are we keeping it up? I guess we are. You don't have to drive far back on this. Oh! He got me. Now I think we're going back up to City Hall to see Miles. We got Lil Man on the Razor though. Woo! Hand drags are so easy on this now. We just gotta get them on the XXX next. Game's got his drop backs pretty good. Getting our throttle one-handers so good on this. Finessing on the Razor. There you go. Woo! Yep.
I know they ain't talking about me. All up in the nigga DMs for the feature. I know they ain't talking about free. Shorty, no lie, no leap. I ain't